Hey guys, so today we're gonna recycle or reuse string, whatever that thing is called. So here's the first thing. Wait. Oh, so first you have to check what type of it. Mine is toffee, but not only that. You also need to check other things like which type of. Mine is chocolate toffees. So then you need the milk. Then you pour the toffees in the milk and then you heat it. I don't know how much long heat, but then you wait. You add a bit of sugar on that milk that is heating. Bit of that. Now maybe you can add maybe you could add a bit of flavors like mangoes. Okay, and then you and here this decoration you could do. Wait, the next flavor is chocolate, chocolate chips. Then you can decorate it with sprinkles. Then you put it here. Then you have your own drink. Thanks for watching. See you later.